Hi, and welcome back. During this exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our connected devices are picking up our settings correctly and are working properly. So at this point, you would have reconnected your Clio or your NASO room manager. So we're going to log into the Evoko workplace here, and we're actually going to navigate on the side here to connected devices. On this list here, you will see all of the currently, connected devices you have to your environment. They could be listed as either a NASO room booker or a Clio desk booker. And here, during on this screen, you'll see some serial information. You'll see the name that's tied to that specific desk or room booker. You'll see if it's connected or not, and then you can see the versions that it's running as well. There's a column up top here that if you toggle on and do show all, it will actually show a couple more pieces of information that you can look at pertaining to the product. Okay. But really, what this exercise here today for now is to show more or less the connected devices that you have here, and then if you see that these connected devices are not working properly with the settings that you had prior to the migration, what I would double check is if you come back here to settings and then you navigate to desk booking. I would just check to make sure that these desk booking settings reflect what you would like to have. And then the same thing would go for room booking. So room booking settings are found here. I would just check to make sure that all the general settings and the RFID settings are in according to what they were prior to the migration. There's no reason they should not be, but this step here is just to double check and make sure that your connected devices are working. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, support at biamp.com. Thank you.